Hi guys, this is Mick here from Creative Dip It. Just doing a bit of a new paint. It's a transparent paint, heat resistant paint. So what I've done with this speed shape is I've done a flame, then it's been sprayed with this special paint. At the moment we can only get it in black in red, but I dare say it will change over time. So I'm going to quickly show you. So it's a bit of magic, really. So I'll just run that water and watch it. As quick as that. And then if we do cold, we'll put it back. That's now cold, running back through. How cool is that? And then we'll go back to hot. And cold. And then hot. And cold. We'll just go back. We'll leave it on the hot for a bit. So basically, I can do any pattern underneath this. Again, on any process, and also I'm also going to start doing hydrochroming. So watch this space at Creative Dip It. Thanks.